Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a chinchin, an homemade chinchin. If you can remember, I've posted a chinchin recipe here before, but that's a commercial chinchin recipe. And I think I'll be posting a more cheaper version of a commercial chinchin recipe here. It might be next week or next week, but I surely will, because you know how Nigeria is. For you to make profit, you have to make cheaper versions of things. But this is going to be an homemade chinchin recipe. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and also tap on the notification bell so you get my video every time I make a post. So let's start in 4, 3, 2, 1. In this bowl is my flour. I'm going to be adding in my sugar and also my flavors and my baking powder. In here is my milk flavor, my vanilla flavor, and my baking powder. Next, I'm going to be combining the hands, my clean hands. Please don't worry, my hands are properly cleaned. So I'm just going to be combining them, as you can see me do. So the flavors get everywhere, not just one place of the floor. Next, I'll be adding in my salt, a little bit of salt. And I'm also going to be combining it just as I did the flavors and the baking powder. Next, I'll be adding in my butter and will mix to combine as well. I'll mix it till my butter is well distributed on the floor, and you will see how the flour will change into kind of a sandy consistency, like a fine sand but made with sugar and water. Just like this, you can see. Next, my egg, one egg, and yes, where it gets messy, but it will quickly come together once I start adding my milk, so don't worry. Just mix till they are all combined, well combined. Want to make egg is well distributed. Next, I'll be adding in my milk, little, till my dough is formed. My chinchin is formed. So I'll keep adding the milk little by little. So add a little. And another one, but this is the last time though. After my dough is formed, I'm just going to knead it a little in my bowl. Next, I'll be transferring it into my work surface. I just flour my work surface a little, and I'll be transferring in my dough. I'll be kneading it a little. You don't have to knead as if you are kneading it like you are kneading a bread. Just knead it till it's a little bit smoother, and it has all come together. I'll be cutting my dough into 3 portions now. So I'll be using a small rolling pin. If you have a bigger rolling pin, you can just roll. No need to cut because this dough is a small dough. But my big rolling pin is not with me, so I had to cut it into a smaller size. So you just have to roll out till it's not too thick and not too thin. I will show you how it should be soon. This is not too thick and not too thin. Now we have to cut out. So I'm just going to cut them into any shape I want. You can cut into any shape you want, any size you want. It must not be the shape and the size I cut my own. So just go ahead and do your thing right here. Next, I'll be transferring it in my tray. I just dusted my tray a little with a little bit of flour so I do not stick to my tray. I'll just be transferring it, picking them one by one. Yes, the stressful part though, but you have to pick them one by one so they move together. If you are watching up to this stage, please don't forget to like and comment. It will help me a lot. Please, I'm begging all of you. So this is my chinchin after they're all cut up and my tray. You can see how yummy they already look even before frying. I'll fry on low medium until they are light and golden. You can see my chinchin looking so delicious and yummy. And I tell you, this chinchin is really, really delicious. Please like and comment. Bye.